Hey everybody, how you doing today? I wanted to do a follow-up on some of the coins that were supposed to come out and just kind of came and went pretty fast. 1 ounce silver round Germania proof. This was supposed to go on sale in the middle of April, and it did, but totally caught me off guard. Like, by the time I received the email and I clicked on it, it was already gone. And a few people, like Italian G and a few others, had mentioned that they were able to pick up the Germania proof coin, so which is cool. But I don't know if everybody was able to get a chance to buy this. Like, I think it sold out pretty quick. I mean, I don't think they had a lot in stock to begin with, because a good amount of them were sold by like the Polish and the German dealers in Europe, right? So just wanted to know how many of you guys were able to buy the Germania proof coin. I know Silver Salivate Metal and Losing Louis were able to get one of these. I was just wondering if anybody else was able to get this coin. I think it started off with like $100, and at one point in time I saw it for like $139 or something like that, right? So, but it says currently unavailable, and chances are they'll maybe have a little bit more. Otherwise, they wouldn't have the alert me button here. But yeah, probably not much left out there, So just wanted to cover this coin here, which I really like. This is really cool. I think a lot of people gonna send them in for grading if the coin looks really good, right? And YouTuber Dentre Veritas, he alerted me to this deal maybe yesterday or the day before, but I didn't get a chance to do a video, right? So I'm like, all right, this is a dog lunar privy. So usually these are over $20 or even like $25 at one point, but they had a sale for this one under $17. So that was a pretty good deal. And of course, when it's a good deal, people bought it up, so there's no more. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get this out to you guys in time, but hopefully you guys saw it, and those of you who did were able to take advantage of this one. Now here's a roll of Buffalo rounds for 336, and I kind of looked around a few dealers. J&M Bullion had it for like 320 something, but after taxes it's gonna be higher than 336. And I went to Provident, and they charged right around 330 something as well. And maybe some of you get taxed by Provident, some of you don't. But I think this listing will not charge you tax. But even at this price, it's not like the best deal, right? I mean, it's better than the other prices, but 336, right? 0.11 times 0.98 if you get the 2% cash back with your credit card, and it comes out to 329.38.39, right? So divide by 20. Oops, how do you clear that? So it's 1646. Silver is around 1503, 1505, somewhere around there. So you're still paying about $1.30, let's just say $1.50 over spot. So not the best deal for even Buffalo rounds right now. Let's take a look at the silver and gold prices here. Gold has been around, well, this is a daily chart, right? So it's been under around 1280, right? 1279, 1280. So it's starting to go down, right? Silver at 1508 had a little bit of an upside, but I think it went down to like 14 and change at one point. Not on Friday, but on other days I think it might have went down intraday. And platinum and palladium, especially palladium, look at that, 1430. It's still palladium is still high. It's higher than all the other metals, which we never really seen palladium higher than both platinum and gold, right? It's kind of weird. I wonder if anybody knows why palladium is higher than all the other metals. Platinum is still under $1,000. So, back in the day, platinum used to be the king, right? Like they were always higher in price than gold. Palladium was like kind of like a forgotten metal at the time. back in the day, but now palladium is like taking a charge, right? So a cheap gold bar here. These are the cheaper kind with very little premium. Credit Suisse 1 ounce fine gold. This is the closest to spot, and like if you use your 2% cash back, you're gonna get gold below spot with this. Just how many of you actually bought this one, right? Like I haven't bought any kind of gold bars, but is this worthwhile? And have you ever tried to sell it and get your money back? Are you able to get spot for this bar? You know, like that's a question mark that I have. And Pinehurst coin is, I think they're legit, right? Let's see what their feedback is here. Oh, they don't even show you the feedback. That's interesting. They usually have like a rating, but they don't have a rating. Yeah, that's interesting. It's just kind of like a store. Like maybe it's like a superstore or something, right? So since they're supposed to be a legitimate dealer, you would think that they're not going to sell you these like fake gold bars that's been around and circulated around, and if you buy from shady eBay sellers, then you might get one of those, right? But yeah, just wondering if this is as legit as it could be, right? Because it's sold by Pinehurst Coins and other bullion dealers on eBay. And last but not least, there's a seller here who has a whole collection of proof silver eagles all the way from 1986 to now 2019, and it looks like it's just the blue label and you can make an offer. So I don't know how many of you out there collect graded silver eagles, but this is definitely one of those very popular coins people collect, right? The proof ones, that's one thing. They also collect the regular bullion ones. So yeah, this is some seller, Bullion Shark LLC. Okay, just wanted to show you that somebody's actually selling the entire collection and is valued around $9,000, right? So I think there's about 30 somewhat coins, all graded PR70. I don't know. I wonder how many people actually like to buy the entire set like this, or would rather have the fun of collecting one at a time, right? Like be in the search and hunt for each of the coins in different years, different dates. I think that's more fun to do rather than just buying the entire thing, unless it's like a great deal, right? So yeah, so that's basically it for now. I'll leave all the relevant links down below in the description area. And yeah, if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them down below. And if you're brand new to the channel, please hit the subscribe and the bell notification to receive video alerts like this. And if you found the video useful, please give it a thumbs up. All right, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.